Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Breville. Did some calibration of the grinder and the grinder mount. We have a double basket and we're going to do 15 grams. There are two other baskets that may work with less of a fine grind, the single double basket and the double dual wall basket. We got a nice tamp. Clean off the wind. And locked in. And it did come in with the customer wondering about the pressure, so we will watch the pressure go up to the desired range. And this is a dark test coffee. Here we go. A nice shot, some nice crema. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.